What's going on, guys? This is your boy Azam with Investofy, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how you can use the Webull desktop web application to trade stocks. And once you log in, you are taken to a page like this. Now, before we get started, just know that don't forget to get your free Webull stocks for the value of up to $1,600 in the link below in the description. And in this video, along with telling you guys how to trade, you will also get a free stock alert. So hey, it's a win-win. So once you log in into the website, something like this, you go to trade right here, and then this is the kind of page that opens up, okay? Now there's a lot of information going on here. There's your portfolio, your watch list, if you have any, current stock, it's a stock chart, and over here is basically, placing the order for that stock. So there's quite a few things happening here, and we're going to go over a few of those things, just the things that matter, in my opinion. So let's do this. For instance, the free stock alert that I'm giving you guys today is Room, all right? And we can go to the weekly chart, okay? So I've already done some work here. So let's just say we want to buy it at the market price, and we want to put a stop loss at 31.95, which is 5 cents below the lowest. And we're expecting our take profit to be 55. So we come over here in this section right here, and we click on buy first, and then we go for a market order. Time in force is day, and then you do stop loss and stop loss. Okay, so we want our stop price to be 31.95. We want our quantity to be just 1. And we want our take profit to be 55, for instance. And it tells you, hey, this is how much you can lose, this is how much you can make off of this stock. All right? And then you go ahead and just press place order. And that's it. That's how you buy a market order. But now let's just say you say that I want to buy the stock at $45. So then you want to create a limit order, all right? And we put a limit order at 45, and we use GTC, good till cancel. And what that means is that with a market order, the order gets filled in during the day when the market is open. But good till cancel means if the price doesn't reach 45 tomorrow and it reaches the day after, or even next week or next month, it's going to fill in the order because you've just automatically told, hey, get me the stock at 45. And then that leads to stop losses again. We can keep as 31.95 and 55, and it tells you, and you place the order. So it's a much more systematic way of just buying stocks for you and then selling it at a high price or selling it at low price. And by the way, this is a stock alert we did send to our subscribers, so check it out. Let me know what you think. The one that we sent yesterday to all of you guys was Dropbox. We spoke about in the last video, and if only it uploads. And today, Dropbox was alright. I think it did alright today. How much was it up by? Well, actually, it was down by almost 1%. So you still have a good buy opportunity in Dropbox, in my opinion, because you can buy that stop with a stop loss of 21.5 and buy at market, and then just see how the stock does for you guys. So that's the video, guys. If you're interested in trading on Webull, the app is quite similar as well, that it has a quick trade button that you can click on, and it looks something like this once you're inside the app. But I'm going to make a tutorial for it as well. But this is for the desktop app, which is pretty good, very intuitive, very easy to use, in my opinion. And check it out. Don't forget to get your free stocks for the value of up to $1,600 using our link. And let me know if you have any other questions. Until then, take care and have a great day. Goodbye.